on like 1 bar?
3.
3?
2 or
I have
3.
1.
Oh, I don't know. My
How
dad.
much is there per gallon now?
4.50 just about.
450?
4.47 or something.
447?
Oh, 4.40.
449?
So, like I said, it was saying it goes up instantly, but when it comes time to go down, they do that slowly.
Alright.
Yeah. Bunch of crock apps. Well, they're making money. Let's all make money. Yay.
Yay. How do we make money?
I don't know.
Out of
Since we
them.
don't own a gas station.
So, pupunta kami sa ano guys, sa trabaho. Mag-i-insulate kami. Yung shop ng kaibigan namin. Nilalagyan nilalagyan siya ng kuryente kasi wala yung kuryente dati. Siya yung kakabit ng kuryente, ng switch, lahat-lahat, ilaw sa taas, super taas pa. Ano siya, yung malaking shop. Tapos may maliit na kwarto para sa office. Yun yung lalagyan namin ng ano, lalagyan namin ng insulation para tuwing winter hindi siya gaano malamig kasi naka-insulate siya. Yun. So it's an hour drive from our town to their town. So yun, kaya lagi kaming nagpapagas. Mahal pa naman. Right now, biglang nawala yung yung internet pa. Kaya sila, yung damay-damay din pati establishment. Pag walang internet, down yung satellite. So ayun, may lunch ako na nakapack na dito, tsaka chips on the way, tapos drinks. Gagawa ako ng drinks kasi mahal din bumili ng sa gas station store.
That's to my cash.
Ha?
Oh, I had so much spending money on that.
No money, honey.
No money, honey.
Let's go.
Gear for getting this
Let's
money this week. This next week.
come on na guys.
I know, right? You go ahead, lady. Don't worry about me. It's about right out there in front.
That doesn't bring us good. Oh, thank you, mister.
Thank you.
Looks like
One nice person out of the whole bunch. I know you have the right of way, buddy.
we probably don't make it, or at least
Got some slow moving folks. Very, very slow.
extended their minutes on. They probably extended their minutes.
Must be.
Here we go.